Today I got a product that is going to help keep your PS5 cool while you're playing those AAA games. So let's get right on into it. So here's the box. So inside it comes with this contraption here, which has 3 different fans on it. And basically just plugs right into the back of your PS5. So the USB goes in the top USB slot on the PS5's backing. And then the top part clicks right into a little hole that's engineered right into your PS5. Now this works for the digital as well as the disc PS5, so you can use it on both. And here's the settings for it. It has 3 different modes. It has a off, low speed, and then a high speed. And then you use the USB spot to put it in, and then it also replaces that USB spot with a female end right here. So you don't lose any functionality or USB ports on your PS5. When it's in the high mode, it's pretty loud. When you put it in low, it's not too bad, and it does an excellent job of really blowing. I can feel the difference in the back. It feels a lot cooler. So, but anyway, this product is definitely a good choice if you're trying to reduce some of the temperature in your PS5. If you want to keep your PS5 cool, I highly recommend it. Thank you for watching, and if you have any other suggestions for products that you'd like to see me review, please let me know in the comments below. Like and subscribe, and until the next video, have a good day, guys.